Welcome back, artists. Today we're starting our journey into character drawing. Before we can draw realistic people, we need a strong foundation, and that starts with stick figures. Stick figures may look simple, but they're the secret to planning dynamic poses. They give you the skeleton of a pose. Help plan proportions before adding details. Keep your drawings dynamic and full of movement. Remember to try and stay in proportions when you create your stick figures. Start with the head, a circle. Add a spine line, curved or straight, depending on pose, or just add the chest as a rectangle. Draw the shoulders and hips as short lines. Add arms and legs as simple sticks. Bend the spine line to show leaning or action. Tilt the shoulders and hips in opposite directions for natural poses. Change arm and leg angles to make it dynamic. Once you have the stick figure, you can flesh it out with simple shapes. Head to oval, torso to a box, arms and legs to a cylinder. Or you can just add the body shape around your stick figure.